So good afternoon, everyone. We will continue with the last sum only. In the last lecture, we had started with the design of beam B1. So in that beam B1, हमारी depth कितनी आई थी? We had got the depth as 750, and after considering the cover, effective depth will comes up to be 700 mm. Then the width we had taken it as 300 mm, and the cover we had provided it as 40. एंड टोटल हमें लोड मिला था 30 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर एंड द पॉइंट लोड ऑन द बीम वाज 135 किलो न्यूटन. सो उस पे से हमें shear force एंड बेंडिंग मोमेंट कैलकुलेट किए थे हमने. सो फ्रॉम दैट shear force एंड बेंडिंग मोमेंट, shear force की वैल्यू हमें मिली थी 247.5 किलो न्यूटन एंड बेंडिंग मोमेंट की वैल्यू हमें मिली थी 348.43 किलो न्यूटन. So then we had come with the singly or doubly, whether we had checked whether our beam is singly or doubly. So moment of resistance we had calculated. So moment of resistance we had got, that is 405.7 kilonewton meter. Since moment of resistance is less than moment acting, we had considered the doubly reinforced section. So till here we had completed in the last lecture only. Now we'll start with the longitudinal reinforcement. Hope everyone had cleared done up till here. Any doubt? Should we proceed with the fourth step? Up till here, we are already done in the last lecture. So we'll proceed with the fourth step, that is check for the longitudinal reinforcement. For jazz, we are going to consider the doubly reinforced section. So as you can see over here, there is the width provided, that is 300 mm, and the depth is total 700 mm. And this is your FSC. Here from here, there will be C2. This will be your C1. This is your total distance, that is D minus 0.42 XU. And this total distance is D minus D dash. So just draw this diagram for longitudinal reinforcement. So just draw this diagram for the longitudinal reinforcement for the doubly reinforced section. And after completing, let me know so that we can proceed further. And if any doubts, you can ask. If anyone is having any of the query, you can ask. Yes, completed. Okay. Okay, so proceeding further. You need to consider the balance section. And whenever you are going to consider the balance section, you have to use this formula for the balance section. That is, moment of resistance will be equals to C1 into L into A1 plus C2 into L into A2. For that, again, you are having the formula, that is 0.138 FCK into BD square plus FSC into ASC into D minus D dash. So first of all, you need to calculate the FSC. For calculation of FSC, again you are having the formula, that is 700 into 1 minus D dash by XU max. अभी again XU max calculate करने के लिए you are having the formula, that is 0.48 into D. सो द इफेक्टिव कवर तुम्हें कितना मिला, सॉरी इफेक्टिव डेप्थ तुम्हें कितना मिला था, इफेक्टिव डेप्थ you had got that is 700. So just substitute the value of D and D dash is your 40. Just now you had mentioned in your diagram D dash is 40. So just substitute the values of D dash and D, that is 40 and 700. So you will get the FSC, that is 616.57 megapascal. So but as you have from the IS code, you have to consider the minimum value for the FSC, that is 350 megapascal. Then we shall proceed further for calculation of ASC. But before that, calculate FSC, see whether you are also getting the same answer or not. After completing, let me know. Okay. All the others are also completed. Okay. Now you have to consider the minimum value for the FSC, that is 350 megapascal. So after considering the value for FSC, you need to calculate ASC by substituting all these in the above equation. So moment of resistance आपको कितना मिला था? Moment see earlier design. Moment of resistance you had got in the previous step, that is 548.43. So substitute the value of moment of resistance, that is 548.43 into 10 raised to power 6. Then 0.138 FCK into BD square आपने calculate किया है, and after calculating, after substituting the values of the FCK, B and D, FCK कितना आएगा 20, then width is your 300 and the depth is your 700. So after substituting all the values, you will get the value for ASC. FSC की value you are going to substitute as 350. Then D कितना, effective depth is 700 and D dash is 40. So calculate ASC from the above equation. After completing, after getting the value for area, let me know. Okay, completed. Everyone had got the answer for ASC, that is 617.8 mm square. If the calculated value, अगर calculated value आपकी 350 से कम आती थी, तो you will consider, you have to consider that value. But आपकी calculation में FSC की value ज़्यादा ही है, so according to the IS code, minimum value of FSC should be 350. So that's why we had considered the minimum value for FSC, that is 350. अगर कैलकुलेटेड आपकी कम आती थी तो आप वो वैल्यू कंसिडर करते थे. नाउ after calculation of ASC, you have to calculate AST required. For calculation of AST required, again you are having the formula, that is compression will be equals to tension. For that you are having this formula, that is 0.36 FCK into B into XU max plus FSC into ASC equals to 0.87 FY into AST. So 0.36 value for FCK is 20. B width is your 300. XU max के लिए you are having the formula, that is 0.48 into D. So यहाँ पे it is not upon, here it is multiplication. So into 0.48 into D, that is 700. FSC, that is 350. ASC just now you had calculated, that is 617.8 equals to 0.87 into Fy into AST required. From this formula, you will get the value of AST required. So do calculate AST required. Okay, everyone had got the value for AST required. After calculation of AST required, okay. I hope all the others had also done this calculation. So after that, you need to provide 2 bars of 20 millimeter phi at the top and the 3 bars of 250 3 bars of 25 mm and 16 mm and 1 bar of 16 mm at the bottom. So for that we need to check for the shear reinforcement. For calculation of shear reinforcement, already you had calculated the shear force. So see the previous steps. Shear force आपको मिला था step number 2 में. In step number 2 you had calculated the shear force. तो वहां पे shear force की value आपको मिली थी 247.5 kilonewton. So that value only you are going to consider over here when you are going to check for the shear reinforcement. Then you need to calculate tau v. So tau v calculate करने के लिए again you are having the formula, that is vu by bd. So substitute the value of b, that is 300 and d is 700. Vu, that is 247.5 kilonewton. तो उसमें से आपको tau v मिलता है 1.178 megapascal. So do up till here, then we shall proceed further. Okay, everyone had done up till here. Should we proceed further? Okay. Now AST provided, you need to calculate AST provided. So for that, you have to use 5 mm of 25 bars, that is 5 into 5 by 4 into 25 square, then 5 by 4 into 16 square. As you are going to use 1 mm of 16 mm bars, that so 1 into 5 by 4 into 16 square, उसमें से AST provided आपको मिलेगा 2655.43, 5 bars of 25 millimeter diameter and 1 bar of 16 millimeter diameter. So from that you will get the AST provided, that is 2655.43. And AST provided calculate करने के बाद में you need to calculate percentage minimum. So minimum percentage you will get by using the formula, that is AST provided upon B into D into 100. Again substitute the values of B and D, you will get the minimum percentage as 1.265%. After that you need to calculate the tau C. So tau C आपको मिलता है from the your IS code, that is 0.678 megapascal. So as tau V is less than tau C, shear reinforcement is being required. So here you are done with the shear reinforcement check. So complete up till here. Same steps you need to repeat that you had repeated in your earlier beam. Yes, Rita?
Ma'am, in AST provided there will be 2 bars of 25 mm, na? 5
No,
bars.
no. You had provided 3 bars of 25 mm and 2 bars of 25 mm. See in the earlier one. Wait. ये देखो यहाँ पे आपने बॉटम में पहले 3 बार प्रोवाइड किए 25 mm के और उसके बाद 2 प्रोवाइड किए, सो टोटल 3 + 2 is 5. So that's why we are multiplied by 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, everyone had completed. Okay. Okay, so proceeding further. VNS, you need to calculate VNS. For calculating VNS, again you are having the formula, that is Vn minus tau C into BD. So substitute all the values for shear force. Shear force is 247.5 minus tau C. Just now you had calculated, that is 0.678. B is 300 and the D is 700. So after substituting all the values, you will get the value, that is 105.1 kilonewton. After that, you need to provide after that you need to provide 2 leg of 8 mm diameter bars, and you after that you need to calculate the spacing. So for calculation of spacing, again you know how to calculate the spacing. So there are 4 conditions. From that minimum value you have to consider for the spacing. So first of all, the formula is 0.87 into Fy into ASV into D upon gamma, upon VNS. Then the next formula is 0.87 Fy into ASV upon 0.4 B, and the next is 0.75 into D, and the last one is 300. So from all the four, जो भी minimum value आएंगी, that we have to consider for the spacing. So do up till here. Yes, anyone is having any queries? If you are having any of the doubts, you can ask. And here the last one value is 300. So ये चारों में से जो भी value कम आएगी, that value you have to consider for the spacing. After completing, let me know so that we can proceed further. Okay, all the others are also completed. Should I proceed further? So from these, all the four, the minimum value is 241.7. So for that, we are considering the 225 mm center to center. So provide two leg at the rate of 8 mm 5 stirrups at the rate of 225 mm center to center. Now you need to provide the check for the deflection. So for checking the deflection, again you are having the formula to calculate Fs. This is on the page number 38 of your IS 800, IS 456 2000. So the formula is 0.58 into Fy upon AST into AST required upon AST provided. AST required just now you are calculated and AST provided भी आपने calculate किया है. उस पे से आपको Fs कितना मिलता है? Fs आपको मिलता है 236.50 megapascal. And minimum percentage you had calculated earlier. So minimum percentage आपको मिला था 1.265%. Now there is one graph in your IS code. So from that graph पे से आपको काय की वैल्यू मिलेगी? Yes, modification factor C. So from that graph you will get the value for MFT, that is modification factor as 1. तो modification factor की value मिलने के बाद again you need to calculate the depth. So for calculation of depth you are having the formula that is L effective upon 20 MFT. So substitute all the values and after substituting आपको depth की value कितनी मिल रही है? 375. It is less than the depth that you had calculated in the very first step. That is 700. So your design is safe for the deflection. So do this check for the deflection, and after completing, let me know. Is done. Okay. Okay, so here we are completed with this design. Now proceeding for the detailing part. Now as you can see over here, this is the detailing for your this particular sum. As you can see here, here these two leg of 8 mm at the rate of 300 mm center to center. This you are provided when you are calculated the spacing for the beam B3, and this is your 100 mm thick slab. The slab is of 100 millimeter thickness, and again you are provided the two leg of 8 mm 5 diameter, and here you are provided the two leg of 16 mm diameter and the two leg of 25 mm diameter. So just draw this detailing, as well as here the T section is over here. So for this the total depth आपने कितना provide किया था? Total depth is your 600, and again these two leg of 8 mm diameter is provided over here, and the thickness is 100 mm. Again these two leg at 8 mm 5 at the rate of 300 mm center to center, this much spacing you had got, and these two bars of 16 millimeter diameter and the two bars of 25 mm diameter. So draw this detailing for this particular sum. This is our second sum for the flooring system. And one more sum we are going to take that is being asked in your earlier exams in the university. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start the third sum of your flooring system. So don't miss any of the lectures. And after flooring system, we are going to start with the retaining wall. But for UT, you are having two chapters, that is staircase design and the flooring system. Mostly beam slabs are there. Columns are rarely asked in your this in this up till now. Mostly the beams and the slab is asked in your university exams. They are not asking you the column design. They are asking you only beams and slab design. Yes, column design is also there in your syllabus, but okay, we'll take one sum on the column design also. Paper pattern is your like this up to, because this is your new syllabus. So up till now, not a single paper is being come for your this updated syllabus because due to lockdown, last year exams was not there. But earlier one paper pattern was like that of for the UT. Yes, for the UT, there will be descriptive as well as MCQ both. So up till now, we had also not decided how much marks will be the descriptive one and how much mark will be the MCQ one. I will let you know soon. Mostly 5 marks will be MCQ and 15 marks will be descriptive. But but I will let you know the proper paper pattern as soon as it is decided. Up till now, in the previous papers, mostly the beams and the slab design is being asked in your exams. But if you want, I will take the one column design problem also for you. Okay, completed up till here. Should I scroll it down? Okay. After completing, let me know. Yes, done up till here. Okay. So this is your next detailing part. So these are all the reinforcement that you are provided. We are running short of time. We are having last 2 minutes are there. So those who are not given the attendance, give your attendance in the chat box. And I will share this entire PDF in your WhatsApp groups, as well as I will update it in Moodle account. So this is your all the reinforcement that you are provided, that is 10.5, that the corner is of 10.5 at the rate of 450 mm center to center, and the middle one is of the 10.5 at the rate of 225 mm center to center. And this यहाँ से लेके इतना distance is your 2500. And see over here, again the different reinforcement is being provided. जैसे आपने अभी इतना 10.5 at the rate of 225 mm center to center is your this one reinforcement. And here also you are provided the 10 mm diameter bars for the spacing 20 to 25 mm center to center. And your this distance is 400. This will be your 850. Again, this middle one will be 850. And this distance is your again 400. And also you are provided the center bars at 8 mm diameter at the rate of 325 mm center to center. So I think I will share this entire PDF with you. So there is no need to take one more session, and very few time is less. We will start the next sum by tomorrow itself only. और एक सेशन अभी लेना है या फिर कल से नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट करना है?